What if I told you your Firestick is tracking you right now? And it's probably slowing your device down at the same time. Most Firestick owners have no idea Amazon leaves a bunch of settings on by default that collects your data, tracks your usage, push ads, and even takes up system resources. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly the privacy settings you should turn off on your Firestick device right now. Whether you're using a Firestick, Fire TV Cube, or Fire TV Smart TV. And if you stick around to the end, I'll give you one bonus week that instantly makes your device feel faster. Let's jump in. So before we start flipping switches, here's the quick version. Your Firestick constantly sends data back to Amazon about what you watch, what you click on, how long you spend inside each app. It's called Telemetry. Most people don't like it, and it also uses your device's CPU in the background. Turning off these features protects your privacy and speeds up your device. So it's a win-win. All right, so what we're going to do first is turn off Amazon tracking. To do that, we're going to go to Settings. Then we're going to go to Preferences. Then we're going to go to Privacy Settings. So you'll see these options: device usage data, collect app usage data, internet-based data, as well as data monitoring, and sometimes personalized recommendations. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn them all off, okay? We're going to turn them all off. So first we're going to go to device usage data, turn that off. Then we're going to go to collect app usage data, turn that off. Then we're going to go to interest-based ads. We want to turn that off as well. So these settings send data back to Amazon. They were tracking what you click on, your personal ads. You don't lose anything by disabling them. Your device just stops doing work you don't need. Next thing we want to do is turn off autoplay. To do that, we're going to go back. We're going to go to Preference. We're going to go to Featured Content and allow video autoplay. No, we want to turn that off. And allow audio autoplay, we want that off as well. So what these do is it stops the Amazon from playing autoplay previews in the background. Turning this off will lower the lag and stop your Firestick from eating up bandwidth. Next thing we want to do is disable those annoying notifications. To do this, we need to head to the notifications. So go back to your settings, go to applications, go to App Store, and for notifications right here, we want to turn that off. There you have it. Now, if your Firestick also has in-app ad previews or automatic video autoplay, you want to turn those off as well. Next big thing we want to do is we want to clear our cache. Very important. We're going to go back to our settings. We're going to go to applications. Then we're going to go to managed applications. Now we want to pick apps that we use a lot. For example, Amazon, or right here is Disney Plus. If we use that, we want to clear the cache. Don't clear data, only cache. If you clear the data, it's going to wipe everything clean. We also want to Netflix, clear the cache here. That's done. And YouTube, clear that cache. Don't hit clear data. Again, that will log you out of everything. Just clearing your cache is enough to free up space and speed up. And since we're talking about privacy, here's something I personally do. I run a VPN on my Firestick. The reason being is your internet provider can see the apps that you open and the type of traffic you're using, even with privacy settings turned off. I personally use and have been using IPVanish. I'm not sponsored, but I do have an affiliate link in the description, so you could click on that. Right now, IPVanish, it works really great with the Firestick device. It's fast and connects instantly. Now, you don't need a VPN to use your Firestick. I want to make that clear. But if you care about your privacy, it's one of the best things you can add on. Now for that speed boost I mentioned earlier, Now, this may or may not be available on your Fire Stick. You need to check. You're going to go to your settings, My Fire TV. You're going to hit About. You're going to go to Fire TV and click on it 7 times. Now, this will unlock developer mode. If you already are, that's great. So you're going to go to developer options, go back, go to developer options, and you're going to look and see anything labeled background apps or processes. On some Fire TV sticks, you can disable unnecessary background activity, and this makes your Fire Stick noticeably faster. Now, you can see it's not on mine, but if yours have it, I would highly recommend you turn that off. And that's it. The Fire Stick privacy settings you should turn off today, plus a couple tweaks to make your device faster and smoother. If this helped you, drop a comment letting me know which Fire Stick model you're using. I'm trying to get to 50,000 subscribers. I'm already halfway there. So if you're subscribed, comment subscribe so I could thank you. And if you're not subscribed yet, tell me what I need to do in my next video to earn it. You've been watching Honest Fred YouTube channel. I'm Honest Fred. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.